Well, I did it. I turned a workbench into a new quilting table, and so far it seems to work. I wanted you to take a look at it, tell me your thoughts. I bought this today at Home Depot. It's the Husky 52-inch workbench. It has 2 drawers that slide out, and I'm really pretty well happy with it. This little foot down here, it can go even back further, but I bought this pre-assembled, so it was a win-win for me today. But it's got a nice wood counter tabletop to it, and like I said, I can put my sewing machine over here, and I have my cutting mat over on this side. This cost me just a little under, with tax and everything, a little bit under $300. And to me, it's the best of both worlds. It's like I said, you know, you have those standing desks. They're not made as well as this, and this will hold up to 300 pounds. So I'm really happy about that. Also, over here, let me over here. I don't know if you can see this, but let me see. There's a crank right here, and hi, Steve. And this thing will raise up, I think, about 16 inches, so you can actually do tabletop sewing standing up. So, you know, a little bit of exercise there too. I'm going to give you a close-up look here. What do you want? All right, here's a view from overhead. You know, you got a nice area for your cutting. Now this is one of my smaller cutting mats. I have a larger one, and this is 24 inches by 52. I have a larger cutting mat that just goes off a couple inches over. I'm not happy about it, but this one right here is big enough, and it should do whatever I want to. The drawers open up. I carry my cutters, my rulers, pens, anything here. And like I said, in the bottom drawer here, I keep my threads. Oh, look, a Grace catalog. Woo! More rulers, my more cutting wheels. I have more cutting wheels here. Anything. So I think it's a great addition. I'm glad with the purchase. I don't regret it, at least now. And this is my brother quilting machine. It is the BM 3850. There's nothing wrong with this one, but I really wanted another sewing machine. So my next video, I'll show you the unboxing of that one. But yeah, real happy with this desk. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you have you ever seen this before? Because I saw where there is a lot of people that are using these workbenches as a desk. So we'll try it out. I will keep you updated and let you know how it works. But right now it seems to be better than the plastic table that I was using. So comment below, and remember to make memories, and I will see you later. Bye.